Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Cinquanta Cox-Smith. Smile for me. So today I am here with a Printify unboxing. You guys saw me create a Printify store. You saw me integrate it with Etsy, and you saw me place an order for a Printify all over print dress, and it has arrived. I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys some specs. The print provider or the print vendor was MWW On Demand. I ordered the all over print dress in an extra large. The total was $36.32. It was ordered on January 16th, shipped on January 19th, and it arrived on January 28th. So all together, including weekends and business days, it took 8 days for my all over print dress to arrive. And on the shipping package, it says it came from Brooklyn, New York, from a fulfillment center. We're gonna go ahead and open it. So the dress is in the bag. Looks like it might have instructions. So I'm gonna open that up and see what is on here. This just looks like it's a vendor receipt, so they know what was supposed to go in there, and maybe they scan the barcode to see what the item is that they have to print on the dress. So I'm gonna go ahead and open up the dress. It's nicely folded in here. The one thing I do notice off the back is the white thread. As you can see, that is very noticeable, the white thread. All around the arms, the neck, here, and at the very bottom of the dress as well. As you can see, I'm gonna stand up and I'm gonna show the dress in front of me. Here's the all over print dress, and I'm gonna try it on. Just gonna slip that right on over my tank top, and it's extra large. It's where it stops, so past my fingertips. I'm about 5'6" or 5'7". I'm gonna scroll down so you guys can just see a little bit better. The dress, again, like I said, it's about thigh, fingers. It's the back. That is the all over print dress. Not bad. It's actually something I would probably wear around the house for real. It actually came out really good, and to see my artwork on an actual dress, mind-blowing. I now have on my all over print dress. You guys see that little moon there, and then the lighter sleeves that I wanted. Fits really good up here at the top, does not feel too tight, so an extra large was a really good size. I hope you guys enjoyed this review and unboxing of an all over print dress from Printify. If you want to join Printify, check out the links in my description box, and until next time, peace.